This is a chain tensioner off of a 1987 Honda TRX 70, and they're very rare. They're made for 2 years and they're really hard to get parts for. So this is supposed to have one of these deals, little rubber wheel that is supposed to go around this bearing, and this thing spins and this edge keeps the chain as a chain guide, and it also, this thing cams, and so that you can set the tension on the chain. Well, obviously this piece of rubber just blew apart, so what we're going to do is we're going to machine one at a HPDE. This is some really hard stuff, so it should work. The trouble is this thing is a one and done piece. It's welded on the back. You can't get this bearing off, so I'm gonna have to cut this part, and yeah, I'll show you. Alright, here's our finished part. Two-sided cut, turned out nice.